Hello, my name is Deborah, and I will be demonstrating how to dynamically add a DCF rule to a DCF table using the IOO DCF panels. The use of the panel interface will ensure that the rules created have the correct syntax. The DCF rules used by the IOO started task are located in the IOO JCL library. On the screen is the IOO DCF Control Panel. The dataset and DCF member you want to update will be specified in the Input DSN field. I'm updated DCF member DCF K3. To show you that the update does occur, here is the DCF member before the updates. Newly inserted rules will be at the beginning of this member. Next, select option 1 to dynamically insert a DCF rule. You will be presented with the DCF rule definition panel. Help on a field can be obtained by placing the cursor in the field and pressing PF1. I want to create a selection rule, so specify S for select. I want all IOO components used for this new rule, so specify Y for the components. For selection criteria, I want this rule to apply to all jobs prefixed with DDE. So I'm going to put DDE asterisk in the job name field. The miscellaneous definitions area does not need to be modified as these are specified in the global table. Selection here would override what is in that global table. So we're just going to hit enter. And you'll be presented with the Rules Overrides panel, which allows you to select a specific rule to apply to your new rule or to specify other VSAM overrides. This is also where you would specify trace options only if requested by Micro Focus support for error analysis. I'm not doing any overrides, so just hit enter. You can write a comment that will be added with the rule in the DCF member. The rule must be prefixed with an asterisk. I'm just going to call mine test rule. So now we just hit enter, and you'll hit enter again to replace your existing DCF rule table. You'll hit enter again and be routed back to the main menu, and you'll get a message in the upper right-hand corner to let you know that that DCF member was updated, and that message is DCF file updated. Now here is the member after the dynamic update was made using your specifications, and here we see test rule. Now the DCF rules table needs to be activated for IOO use, so we select option 3 to activate an IOO DCF table. An IOO started task will be submitted to perform this activation. This started task is called IOO DCF. Your site may have called this started task name a different name. The DCF started task name can be located in the started task output under DCF startup proc name. These procedures are shipped in the IOO JCL dataset. So before we hit enter, you want to make sure that this member is correct and you have the correct SSN. Now let's take a look at that started task. In the sysprint, you can see here again my test rule that was created. All DCF rules are written to the started task output.